Today we will be solving question 3, June 2024, Pure Mathematics 9709. The coefficients of x cubed in the expansion of 3 plus ax power 6 is 160. Find the value of the constant a. Here we have to do binomial expansion, which is 3 power 6 plus, and then we have 6c1, 3 to the power of 5 ax to the power of 1 plus 6c2, 3 power 4 ax squared plus 6c3, 3 to the power of 3 ax power 3. Because it's asking for the coefficient of x cubed, so we will work on the fourth term here, which will give us the coefficient of x cubed in terms of a. Already we know this will be equal to 160, so we will take 6c3, 3 power 3 a cube x cube. This is equal to 160 x cube by given. 6c3, you can find it with the calculator or manually. It's going to be equal to 20 times 3 to the power of 3, which is 27, and a cube is equal to 160. Just ignore the x cube here and solve for a. 20 times 27 is 540, and then we have 540 a cube is equal to 160. Divide by 540, a cube will be equal to 160 over 540. If you simplify this by 20, this will be 8 over 27. Doing the cube root to find a, the cube root of 8 over 27 is equal to 2 over 3. Now let's move to part B. Hence, find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion of 3 plus ax to the power of 6 times 1 minus 2x. Well, here we need the coefficient of x cubed. Having the x cubed from the first factor coefficient times 1 will give you an x cubed, and having the coefficient of x squared times minus 2x will give you the coefficient x cubed as well. So we will be having the x cubed coefficient from the first factor and the x squared from the first factor. We already found the x cubed coefficient in the first question, which is 160 x cubed. We will do the same, and we will find this time the coefficient of x squared. So for x squared, we will find 6c2, 3 to the power of 4 times ax squared. 6c2 is equivalent to 15 times 3 power 4, which is 81, times a squared x squared, which is equal to the a we found in the previous part was 2 over 3. So substituting a by 2 over 3, we will get 15 times 81 times 2 over 3 squared. If you calculate this, you will get 540. And now we have 160 x cubed and 540 coefficient of x squared. We will multiply now these by 1 and minus 2x. So 1 times the coefficient of x cubed, which is 160, minus 2 the coefficient of x squared times minus 2, which is 540. If you calculate this, you will get minus 920. And that's it for question 3. Thank you.